September 5th, 2013, trying to describe how to get PowerPoint for the Mac to take a non-standard sized presentation and save it to PDF at exactly the screen, exactly the size of the slide as it gets projected on the screen. So no margins, nothing beyond it, not showing the unprintable outside area or undisplayable outside area, just exactly what would be shown in a presentation, but putting that in a PDF that's suitable then for displaying cross-platform, or taking to full screen on a different monitor, or putting into a different program, which is surprisingly difficult. Okay, PowerPoint. Let's create a new presentation. Oops, let's create a new presentation though with a non-standard slide size. So we'll go ahead and produce one with a simple Verity template. Now, if you try to save as PDF, let me demonstrate the problem. Here's the problem. This white area is produced, and it makes it so that you cannot merely go full screen with your PDF, which makes it unsuitable for using to actually do the presentation, which sometimes you want to do if you use it on a computer that does not have PowerPoint or is a different operating system or whatever. Now, if you try to use the old trick of going print and print to PDF and open the PDF in preview, okay, it's going to try to force the slide onto the 8.5 by 11 that it's already set up. Also not what you want. You want to see the whole slide. So this has two problems. Number one, there's too much up on top, and there's not enough on the sides. So it cuts off the slides and puts white space on. So double bad. So what is to be done? It turns out you need to do two things. So go to print is the easiest way to do it. You go to page setup. Here you'll see the slide sizes here are custom. I'm assuming that this is a custom slide size that you've set up. It could be something else like these slide sizes, but in our case, our template designer set it to these sizes. Now look, take note of the 13.33 and the 7.5 for the width and the height. All right. You then need to go to options, and you need to change the paper size here. Now again, we're not actually going to do this, to print this here, so you're creating sort of a virtual paper size. I've created one called widescreen no margin here, and it shows what, to create a new paper size you simply click here, you can double click it to title it, and then you'll set this up. But this is what it should look like. For our situation where we have width of 13.33 and height of 7.5, you invert the width and the height and put them into the paper size. And then you set a user-defined non-printable area of 0 on all sides, okay? You set that up, you tell it to go that away here, and now you've got these 13.33 by 7.5 slides are now going to be forced onto paper that's 7.5 by 13.33. It says current page size exceeds the printable area, click fix, automatically, yes, that's fine. Click fix, and voila, we can see from the preview that it appears to work. Now we can go open PDF and preview, and sure enough, it looks appropriate. We've got going full bleed out to the edges with no added white space, and we've got the entire width of the slides that goes out on either side. Now, you then in turn can use this and go full screen with your presentation. Of course, you're going to want to save this PDF. It's fine. But there you have it. That is the solution to this incredibly irksome problem.